Well, see, this is how easy it is to get started homesteading or prepping for cheap. Let's say everything you see here for $10. So basically like $1 a piece. And this is all really useful, still really good stuff, despite it being rusty and dusty and dirty. So let's kind of go off here. I think the really cool find is this vice screw. That's something I could turn into a small woodworking vise, no problem. A little pair of pliers, a little brace bit, some of these Yankee screwdrivers, and that there, ooh, that's a really cool saw blade. It's a 24-inch buck saw blade, and that's something you can put out in a bug out bag, you know, and literally make a frame for it, and it could be a really good you're crazy, buddy. You can make a really good buck saw blade for that, and it's all set to go. It's just got to be a little sharp, and it's actually not bad in shape at all. All the teeth are there, nothing's broken. Oh, we got a fire truck here, so a little noisy. Let that guy go by. This here is a Vermont American rip saw. That's a really nice one, really heavy duty, really good shape too. That's a newer Diston. We got two of these big gigantic files. Those could easily be turned into knives. Another brace bit, and then on top of all that, we got all these shovels, which are all heavy duty, old, made in America shovels. They may not seem like much, but this is something you could use at a camp, you know, leave at your camp and not worry about, or just restore them and make them into good shovels for your garden or whatever. But all this guy's for $10, and every one of it's still useful. And like these saws, these can be sharpened forever. You can just sharpen them to no end. You know, same thing, the brace bit, you know, the hand brace, the files, these things are all very good and very useful and still have generations of life left in them.